Hi, do you have a problem with unsightly default icons in your Vision Pro apps? Like you're building something really awesome, or maybe you're just doing a feature test and you deploy it to the device and you get all of these white icons and you can't tell them apart. As you can see, the problem is here in your assets where under app icon you don't have anything for the Vision Pro. If you look at the documentation of the AVP, you're told to go out to Figma and there's supposed to be templates there for you. But if you're a regular developer like me, you really don't know how to work with that. So here's my trick. I go to ChatGPT and I tell it to create a 1024 pixel by 1024 pixel PNG for me like this. Oh, that's interesting. It's not exactly what I expected, but I'm going to go ahead and download it and I'm going to open it up in the preview app on my Mac. Okay, so they set it up as a WebP file. I can just rename it as a PNG here. And I'm going to take a look at it. I need to make sure that it really is 1024 by 1024 because ChatGPT has a habit of doing images in other resolutions for some reason. So now I just need to drag it in here into the app icon. I'm going to do the big image as a background, and we can see it works just fine. So now you need at least 2 images in order to create an icon, and you can have up to 3. But I'm just going to use 2. And now I'm going to create a transparent PNG with some sort of image on it that's going to sit on top of that background I created. In this case, it's just going to have some sort of simple image that sits on top of the background. And wait for it. Wait for it. Yeah, voila. So this isn't too bad. I'll go ahead and use it. It looks like it's been saved as a web file again, so I need to go ahead and rename it as a PNG, and I can open it up in preview. I'm going to check the pixel density one more time under information, and in this case it looks okay. And now one problem this has is it's created sort of faux transparent background for me of checkerboard things, and I want a real one. So fortunately preview allows me to go in and remove the background through the tools tab. And now it's good. I'm going to save it. I'm going to drag it into the middle icon position, and it's an overlay, and as you can see, yeah, when you rotate it, it gives a sense of depth. Go ahead and deploy it to the simulator, and you can see it's coming up just fine. Ooh, really nice. It's distinctive. And then when I go to my home window, I can always find my app again because it has a very distinctive look to it, and it took under 3 minutes to build it. Well, so go ahead and play with it yourself. I'm hoping this makes your life easier. Thank you.